This is the room where we assemble the SmartVue. Part of that process involves sending circuit boards out to be manufactured. There are 5 circuit boards inside the SmartVue, and these were all designed in-house by our staff. Once we receive all of the circuit boards back, we incorporate them into the enclosure. So that involves inserting the circuit boards into this aluminum extrusion, and we have a number of molded parts that we also designed in-house. This front bezel has the touchscreen and the LCD display already inserted. Once it's completely assembled, we have a unit that looks like this. We then send it over to the test jig for testing, where we test all of the inputs and outputs to make sure that it's fully functional.